The new signee for the Muck-Off FXR Club MX Yamaha team for the 2025 Supercross season, Devin Simpson, has been announced that he was injured in a practice crash, injuring his wrist and will have to undergo surgery. Now, Simpson was scheduled to race the 250 East region, which kicks off February 8th in Tampa? Yeah, Tampa, Florida. So that's not good, considering, yes, that is a little bit of a while away, but it's still, if you have to have surgery, you're going to be off the bike. You're going to be, it is a hand. At least you can do some cardio, but anytime you miss bike riding right before you're going to go race, never good. On his Instagram, he said, quote, "Damn it, made a small mistake a few weeks ago while training and banged up my wrist. Bit of time off the bike to R&R and back to it to make 2025 a banger." Now, he's been with the team as a fill-in rider since what, the end of motocross last year, end of pro motocross this season, I guess you want to call it. And he has a supercross only contract right now, so being injured before that is definitely not good for him. The team did announce that they will seek a fill-in rider for the East region, at least I'm assuming for the rounds that he'll be missing, so that's at least good for that. But sucks to hear. You never want to hear anybody get injured, especially in just practice. I mean, one of those freak things that all you have to do is catch one little ridge and fall over and hurt yourself, and well, there goes your season. Especially if you're one of these guys that's on a supercross only contract that's, very dependent on you doing well and making everybody look at you and maybe get a contract for the summer or maybe for next year. But hopefully, knock on wood, he heals quickly and he can make it to as many rounds as he possibly can. But I don't know, you guys tell me, comment down below. Tell me what you think. You're excited for A1. Who do you think's going to win? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.